Okay. Ayan, so nag-last tayo dun sa ano, no? Um, nag-last tayo dun sa paggamit ng SSMS, which is the 2019, and we created the database name. Okay lang na ano, sir and ma'am, okay lang. And then we created the DB login na database name. So here, I posted the same video explaining no every component, and then this one is for demonstration only, so that dire-diretso lang ito, tapos iba pa din sa may explanation ng mga components na ina-add natin. Ayan guys, so may nagtanong pala sa akin kanina while waiting for it to run, anong gamit daw nung database. So, currently, yung mga ginagawa nyo na programs in Programming 1 and nung Programming 1 is very basic. Ibig sabihin, when you run the program, every data that you stored using variables, and when you turn it off, it will be trashed. Hindi na siya magagamit ulit. So, whenever you run the program, it will revert back to its fresh state kung paano siya na-develop. So, while naman yung programs that uses databases, so kahit may transfer yung program to another computer, or ma-update yung program, malagyan ng new features, and then ma-shutdown yung program, yung data is ma-retain pa din. That's the use of the database. So, yung isang kaparehas ng database na application na alam nyo ngayon is yung Excel, So, ganun din na nabibuild yung mga tables nila. So, nandito na tayo sa ating SSMS, So, that's for now lang sa explanation about the databases. And let's just explore, yung how to use database and connect it with your programs. So, ito lang. Select nyo lang yan and then connect. Sige lang, so okay lang taa. No problemo. And then when you expand that one, so makikita natin dito yung DB login. Yan yung ginawa natin from the last tutorial. And this one is the database that I created a while ago sa aking class with the section B. So here you can see the tables. And let's just try to right click and edit top 200 rows to responding. Check if anong mga elements nandun. So ID, username, password, full name, email, and phone number. Yan. Bale, makaka-add ka ng values dito when you click on the database itself. So, I do not recommend this, but you can add here for example lang na. So, user, password, full name, Kian B, and then k@gmail.com, then phone number daw kunwari, etc. So if you click on the next row, go auto add yung ID because naka-increment that when we were building the table. Okay. Ang susunod is once na meron ka ng yung inyong database, running and open in your local host, punta ka dun sa Solution Explorer. So, dapat naka-open yung Solution Explorer window. And then in the project files, ano yung buong package solution or the whole solution or the package. Right click that, and then add module. And then you name your module MDL for naming convention. Module, kunwari, query, kasi that's what we're going to do. We're going to query the data from our database. So add. Now we have a fresh set of module. Here, in order for us to utilize the database capabilities, which is not part of a fresh IDE defaults, we have to import them. Parang additional resources siya na you will call during your programming phase if you want to utilize them. So we're calling the import system data. Okay. System data, ibig sabihin yung data ng mismong computer. Like for example, you want to use the date, time of your local computer whatsoever, and or the actions, yung mechanical actions. And of course, the databases. And then another one, imports system that SQL client, dahil naka-SQL ang gagamitin natin. Client. Okay. Dapat may data dito. So, syntax error agad yan. Kung missing yon, magkaka-error ka. And then we have to create a connection variable, and then command variable, and read data variable, and store SQL sequence or the query. So we'll have to create public con as new SQL connection. Okay, I'm not gonna put anything na Ano sabi niya? It is not defined.
Why?
Hindi dapat SLQ, SQL connection. So be careful with your spelling. Ayan, konting isang maling letter lang, sira yung buong system nyo. So make sure that you're typing the correct letter, or the correct string. And then public. Bakit public yung ginagamit natin, guys? As I told you before, para accessible siya sa buong system ninyo, yung mga variables na dinideclare ninyo. So if it's private naman, if you remember, within the form lang, and then pag-dim within the function only. So let's try to put public cmd as new SQL command. Okay, bilisan ko na guys ha. New SQL reader. SQL data reader dapat. No, let's just. And then public. Since in-explain ko naman na kanino to sa class, and we still have, you also recorded me while doing it. No, hindi na ako mag-explain ng gaano. str. Connection string. Data source equals period. Okay, as explained a while ago, yung period means the local system. And then SQL express colon initial catalog equals the database name. So ano yung database name? The database name is DB login. Semicolon integrated security with equals true. Sabi ni Sir Darwin, not necessary ito, but whenever you want to expand your program daw, pag gusto nyo mag-network, maglagay ng added security, you have to put security. Then public sub-procedure exesql. And by value ang ibig sabihin mo SQL statement. As string by value status boolean. Okay, then so let me just check parang may error. Open connection close boolean status condition Nya, 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 nya. Big sayo man.
Huwag kang makinig dito na.
Busy ka, di ba?
Mag-focus ka dyan.
Di ba? Ang ganyan mo, tapos nakipag-ano ka sa bahay.
Makinig sister, huwag ka na maingay.
Bakit?
Matawa.
Nafe-feel ko lang si ma'am. Charot.
Ano ganito yan?
Madamagan tawan ni kaya ano kahit naipangag kanyak.
Ha?
Dapat state pa.
Awan?
When? Tapos correct.
Merry Christmas sa iyo.
Ba't sabi no dun? Has no constructor. Ba't
Sir?
wala akong constructor
Sir?
dun?
Sir? Sir, excuse me, sir.
Aha! Charot. Ito lang naman yung nambabaliw sa amin, oh. Nakita yung language mi nga ko, mga alien. Tada! Yes, that's how we talk. Dito ko, kabayin kita dito.
Sorry alis kami dito.
Ay?
Okay, halika na.
Okay, maglayas kayo. Magsilayas kayo kung nagaya.
Maglayas kayo ng ilo ka.
Magtalaw kayo. Sige, magtalaw kayo. Ibati nyo ako.
Ma'am Kay,
Yeah.
come on, let's go.
Sige, kaya. Ngayon, ang pankay di dya ay, sige. You go to the login form. Click in the login button. Kung nag-met talaga boses mo, sir.
Ha?
You have a beautiful voice.
Turo. Mamamati ganun.
Select. Pada kayo ni Jum sa lahan ng magkantaan. Charot lang. From TBL, so you select which table it is. TBL user. Okay, yun nakalagay doon. TBL user. So kung may konting misspelling ka lang, isang letra lang, you will not be able to fetch the record from that database. Where, and then username, anong ginamit natin? Small letters. Username equals wala, pinpintas ni Ma'am Kian ah.
Bakit?
Welcome. Ay, opo. Nya, singirang kantuan at ako welcome. And txt password equals colon, semicolon, ampersand. Oh, it commented out because
Di medyo na
we forgot to add,
Di medyo na eh.
okay, the end symbol. And it's not supposed to be an equal symbol. Okay?
It's the beautiful.
Oh my goodness. I'm getting an error. So end, supposed to be end, not emb. Password, colon, semicolon, and single quote, double quote, and text password that text, end, quote, single quote, double quote. So, hindi niya nakikita. Bakit nagiging comment yun? So, let's try to enter. Wait a minute. So, may kulang tayo. Kaya nagkaka-error. Select from table user where username txt, that username, that text, and password. Is it password? Password. And text user name, that text, and oh, ano yun? Somebody's calling. It's your phone, sir.
It's mine.
Baka bibiro kong dako.
This is mine. La.
Oh, okay. Supposed to be, this one is
Hello.
double quote, single quote, then double quote. Okay?
Decorate kami lang. Tingin na tugas nga mistra. Ha?
ESC, SQL,
Ini.
SSQL, then
Ini
false,
nagwapo nga mistra.
kagapuan, kapangasan mo. If, or that read,
May mangkay
then, message box, FRM, anong pangalan nito?
Ito man sila.
Registration form. Kayong! Kayong! What's up?
Kaka nag-Christmas di Bagyaw.
Nawa, madi.
Mali ka na.
Kaapay, sir. Kaapay na di.
Registration form.
Ay, 25. Kana mag-edit 100 lang. Pang regalo. Po? Sana.
Much money.
Sulatan naman. Baka dapat
Blue bill ka na kaya naman eh.
Niya kaya?
na tayo ba kung siya?
Ewan na ka na Tina.
Abay, sarap mo, di ka bumat.
Data.
Kaapay. Nalalabasan lang ko.
Lalaki din ang ito na.
Pas kami sa iyo.
Pastor Jherome.
Na, sorry ah. Dito rin ka, abay ko. Ala, katungtungtung mo.
Wait lang. Buka. Eta ka nung Jherome. Oh, yung reaction niya, sir. Oh, tingnan mo.
Nga, win? Oh, kadam, win ko na.
Dancer! Ay, sir, tuloy. Sir Jherome.
Wow!
Lajay kahit.
Wala na, gusto. Yan. Sir na eh. Pero sir, one of the... Inanaglag.
Ang pilin na laglag no ka mo.
Alam na! Dalayon po!
Hindi naman masamang magmahal. Ano?
Apay ko ma. Lalang po po. Wala. Ha?
Anak mo? Ano mo naman?
Method body. Statement cannot appear within a method body.
Ano sa boyfriend mo? Mana?
Doon Apay si Kalang si May
Ay, okay. So guys, may kulang tayo dun sa module. Dapat merong end sub. Na-delete ko ata.
Nya.
Access granted. Okay, so hanggang dun muna lang siguro tayo din.
Wala niya naman doon.
We will add another frame, ano, kung aabot pa sa atin.
Bisina.
And then you register it here, ano, yung new account kung kailang wala tayong account. Okay? So mag-add tayo ng data sa records, sa database, and magde-delete tayo.
Alam mo?
Okay, and then you turn it off. And then